small Slurpee. Tell the camera what we did.
Oh, Lord.
What's wrong with them, Mom?
Well, I had an idea that there was a nice day out and I should go take the boys for a Slurpee. Mom Genius Eye number 25. Oh boy. John Paul, where are you? Seems like he's getting tired.
Oh, I'm sure we go all night.
Yeah,
We're not going to do a Slurpee run anymore this summer.
I win the Stupid Mom Award for today. Hey, John Paul, did you like that? Was that good?
Yeah. Uh-oh, there's a big frame on the ground. I better pick it up.
Do you want another?
No, Mom, don't even suggest it. Don't even bring it up in the
Okay, bad idea.